today we got an unboxing of thread beads. I've been seeing this company all around freaking Facebook, Instagram, and I was like, hey, I gotta check it out. So, and it actually got me when they said free headphones. So let's go ahead and unbox this big boy. Got in here. This actually is the $135 one, so let's see if it's worth it. 30 stickers. You got some sweats, it looks like. Super dry. You guys can see that, but oh, okay, you actually got a nice jacket here. Check that out. Y'all can see that, but that looks pretty dope. Let's see what we got in here. All right, it's pretty dope too. It's a large, so what we got in here? Okay, another shirt. Some dolphin. Looks alright. And there's more. Oh, look at this. Nice little Quicksilver shirt. Oh. Some socks. And a dope hat. Not bad. And this is what they got me with, the headphones. It's not bad for 135 bucks. This is worth it. Let's see what happens next month. Later.